Good morning students. Today we'll be starting with the lesson The Northern Plains. As discussed in earlier lessons, India is divided into 5 physical divisions. This is the second physical division we'll be talking about, that is the Northern Plains. Our objectives for this lesson are knowing the location of the Northern Plains with respect to the other physical divisions, the important features of the Northern Plains, which includes the 3 river basins. Then, how and why are Northern Plains important to us? And lastly, its climate. The Northern Plains are located to the south of Himalayan range. They are also known as Northern Fertile Plains or the Indo-Gangetic Plains. From east to west, they stretch about 2,400 kilometers. From north to south, they vary between 150 kilometers to 300 kilometers. The Northern Plains are watered by 3 main rivers, which form the 3 basins. Actually, basin is an area which is watered by a river and its tributaries. I repeat, basin is an area which is watered by a river and its tributaries. Tributaries, as we know, are smaller rivers that join a big river. The 3 basins in Northern Plains are Satluj Basin. As the name suggests, this area is watered by river Satluj. Ganga Basin, the area through which Ganga flows. It includes the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Brahmaputra Basin. It includes the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Now, let's know each of these basins in detail. Satluj itself is a tributary of river Indus. It flows through the states of Punjab and Haryana. The city we are living in is in Haryana. So we can say that Ambala is a part of the Satluj Basin. Crops like rice, sugarcane, etc. are grown here. The famous Bhakra Nangal Dam is built over river Satluj. It provides electricity to the states of Punjab and Haryana. It also provides water for irrigation. The famous Indira Gandhi Canal, which has transformed the dry desert areas of Rajasthan, also takes water from river Satluj. Indira Gandhi Canal starts in Punjab and provides water to the dry areas of Rajasthan. Second important basin is the Ganga Basin. River Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier in Himalayas and flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal before it falls into the Bay of Bengal. Ganga has many tributaries like Yamuna, Ghagra, Kosi, Betwa and some more. The Ganga Basin is the most populated part of India. This is so because it provides occupational opportunities to many people. Brahmaputra Basin. This basin is watered by river Brahmaputra, which starts in Tibet, where it is named Sangpo. It enters India in Arunachal Pradesh as Brahmaputra, flows through the northeastern states, then enters Bangladesh, where it is named Jamuna, and then finally falls into the Bay of Bengal. Remember, it is called Jamuna in Bangladesh. Don't confuse it with Yamuna, which is a tributary of river Ganga. The place where a river joins the sea is called its mouth. Before a river falls into the sea, it branches and forms a triangular shaped area. This place is called a delta. When Brahmaputra joins Ganga in Bangladesh and then branches before falling into the Bay of Bengal, it forms the largest delta in the world known as the Sundarban Delta. All the silt is deposited at the mouth of the river, which makes the place very fertile. This completes the 3 river basins in the northern plains. Next, we come to the importance of northern plains. Since this entire area has many big and small rivers which bring silt and make the soil fertile, so the area is excellent for growing crops. For this reason only, it is also known as the food bowl of India. It is well connected via road and railways and provides ample occupational opportunities to people. Lastly, the climate. This area has extreme climate. Those of you who have been here for about a year would know that it is extremely cold during winters and extremely hot during summers. Monsoon months experience heavy rainfall. So we say that the climate of northern plains is extreme climate. With this, we come to the end of the lesson, the northern plains. Go through the PPT again and remember the important points. Thank you.